everything. Alright, so this is a GoPro. I've got to find my knife to open it. It looks like a nice fancy recyclable label. This isn't an unboxing video, it's just for me. Any kind of evidence if anything's missing. Can you remove that out of there? There we go. Okay, this is a Costco GoPro. So, I'm sure there's something else I gotta remove too. It'd be like an OtterBox where it's like just completely glued to high hell. Let's see. I need the knife. Is there plastic? What the heck do they do?
I think we have to actually rip open the end.
Yeah. Of course, somebody will, when I post this, somebody will tell me, oh, why'd you open it like that? Yeah, you actually have to like, rip it open.
Do you want me to hold some?
Good Lord. That is some serious glue. Definitely easier just to do that. Okay. That GoPro charger. Let's see. They make it to where you can't even pull it out of there. It's like it's got to be. Good Lord. Well, they packaged it pretty good, didn't they? Oh my God, what the hell? Okay. That, and 2 batteries. So now we gotta figure out how to put this back in here. Like that. I don't know if you're supposed to continue to use that. Anyway. Pretty cool. No protective case though. That kind of sucks. Anyway, I think we're good.